I'm Alexander Myasnikov, MD, candidate of medical sciences. Today I slipped feeding my dogs, fell down, hit my knee.
Does it hurt? Yes. Am I panicking? No, because I know how to treat this, and not with pills. I apply the Mission Coil TGS-7A to the sore spot, 15 minutes and the pain starts to fade, a few sessions and it's gone.
The Mission Coil TGS-7A is a modern remake of Nikola Tesla's 1894 patent, created by inventor Alexander Mishin from Togliatti, Russia.
The principle is simple. Apply the coil to the sore spot for 15 minutes. Pain fades, joints, bruises, inflammation, all within its scope.
The price is around 10,000 rubles, roughly $100. Mishin is alive, still working, still improving his device. Tesla's true successor in the 21st century.
My grandfather was also a medical academician. That's why I respect real scientists. Academician Boris Bolotov lived to 94.
Bolotov invented Bolotov balsam, a replacement for natural gastric juice. It helps with digestion, metabolism, and many chronic diseases.
He didn't just talk, he lived by his principles. 94 years. That's a stronger argument than any article in a medical journal.
Academician Georgy Seaton lived to 95. He worked with Soviet cosmonauts. His method was so EVIS, verbal, imagery, emotional, volitional, self-regulation.
He invented affirmation scripts, texts for self-persuasion. You listen and the body begins to heal. Neuroplasticity in action long before that word became fashionable.
As a doctor, I say, words truly heal. Seaton proved it in practice. 95 years, the best proof. Professor Voldemar Ragel lived to 92. He invented a microcurrent therapy device, 20 to 200 microamps, completely safe.
The device treats up to 124 diseases by activating the body's own stem cells. This has been confirmed by Israeli scientists. Microcurrents are not quackery. This is physiotherapy based on real bioelectric processes. Ragel understood this and made it reality.
Nikolai Kadyaev from Togliatti lived to 101, a war veteran. He survived 3 serious car accidents. Doctors gave up on him. He left them and started Hatha Yoga.
He practiced asceticism, buckwheat and chicken once a week, no excess. He taught yoga at a medical college until very old age.
Kadyaev's main lesson: the body knows how to heal itself. Yoga helps you not interfere with that process. Sometimes the wisest thing is to leave the doctors.
Bolotov, 94 years. Seaton, 95. Ragel, Kadyaev, 101. Mishin still alive and working. This is not coincidence. This is a system.
TGS-7A, Bolotov balsam, Seaton affirmations, Ragel device, Kadyaev Hatha Yoga, 5 tools, all accessible, all tested.
I am a doctor. I tell you directly, study these methods and apply them in practice. Believe me, you will understand how to get rid of half your problems.
You want to know why Americans live longer than Russians? I lived there, studied there, worked there. I know the answer.
It's not the medications and not the genetics. It's the lifestyle, the health culture, the knowledge people have about their own bodies. We simply don't have that.
I wrote books about this. Plain language, no fluff. Read them, and you will understand how to live longer. This is not advertising. This is my professional advice.
I'm Alexander Myasnikov. Many people ask, where to buy the Mission Coil TGS-7A and where to get answers. Here it is.
The official website of inventor Alexander Mishin is futurevalue.ru. Everything is there. Specifications, how it works, how to use it.
Ask your questions directly on the site. Price around 10,000 rubles. A device that genuinely works. Tesla's 1894 patent in a modern implementation.